What a beauty. It's right next to the water. I haven't researched this plant as yet. I see it every year, when I go through the woods. And it's a succulent. That's one thing I know, because it has to be close to water, just like myself, because we absorb energy from the water and that environment and from nature itself to recharge our batteries and make us energized in our vibration. But I know this is, probably edible. This is a berry tree. It's not, I think it's a little blackberry. They're not, blooming yet, so there's none. But I know you can eat this one here. But it's just a matter of vibing, all by your lonesome, and keeping your energy. Yeah, you see me? I'm leaning on the fence. I feel like doing that. Yep. Just vibing. Vibing with the plants. Vibing. I'm all the way down into the gutter on the hillside. Yes, I'm right by the river's edge, where the river comes through that creek coming down. And this is my simple life with nature.